Today I'm going to teach you step by step how to make this super cute patriotic wreath in just 10 minutes using all Dollar Tree items. Welcome to Stillwater's Wreath Designs. Come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super cute and quick patriotic red, white, and blue wreath for your front door using Dollar Tree items. Hey guys, it's Nikki here at Stillwater's Wreath Designs. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us. We've got new tutorials uploading every single week. Okay, let me spin the camera around so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, we're going to use the 14-inch wire wreath frame from the Dollar Tree. And I've just grabbed a pack of red, white, and blue handkerchiefs from Amazon. You can also grab these at the Dollar Tree, but they're actually cheaper on Amazon. I'll make sure I leave this link for you below in the description of this video. You guys, you are not going to believe how simple this design is. Let's talk about this wire wreath frame, guys. So as you can see, there are 4 wire rings that go around this wreath frame. And then the distance between each crossbar, these are the crossbars, is considered a section. So we've got 6 sections in total on our wreath. And on 2 of those sections, we're going to use just the blue handkerchiefs. And then on the remaining 4, we're going to alternate back and forth between the red and white. The first thing we need to do is cut each of these handkerchiefs in half. We're going to use 3 blue, 3 white, and 3 red. I'm just going to cut them in half following that fold seam. We're going to start out by adding the blue to the first 2 sections of our wreath frame. So I'm just going to grab 1/2 of the handkerchief or handkerchief strip. And then I'm going to just basically pinch and gather it right in the middle of that handkerchief half. On that seam, I'm going to fold it in half, and that closed end of my handkerchief loop is going to go underneath the wreath frame, and then I'll just pull those tails through that opening. Then I'll pull those tails so that our handkerchief strip is nice and tight on our frame. Okay, let's finish up with the blue. Remember, we're going to add 3 handkerchief strips per section in 2 sections. And then I'll meet you back here. Okay, we're 1/4 of the way there, guys. So we've added 6 strips of blue to 2 sections of our wreath, which represent the upper left corner of the USA flag. And now we're going to carry on with the red and white. We're going to cut 3 red handkerchiefs in half and 3 white. And then for the remaining 4 sections, we're going to alternate back and forth between the red and white, adding 3 strips per section on our wreath. And then I'll meet you back here. And this beauty is finished. What do you think?